Alles van die beste vir julle, hoor. Ek's bly ek hoef vergeet te vergewe.
I'll never forgive her. She's dead to me.
Ek dink julle het vrede gemaak.
No.
Ek het julle nou net in die kombuis gesien vrede maak.
That's my sister.
Sif, man, dit jy jou suster.
What?
Wow.
No.
So dit was toe nie sy meisie nie, was sy sussie. Maar blykbaar is dit nou nie 'n goeie ding nie.
You were intimate with my sister?
John, dis great nuus.
No, Chart, it's worse.
Hoe's dit worse?
But you crossed the line. You crossed the bloodline with sweet little Louise.
Sy het gesweet, John, dit
Oh,
kan ek
this
jou
is
sê.
my only little sister. She's 4 foot.
Kan julle asseblief werk?
Chart, what?
Punt.
Let's go.
Wat nou?
Chart, a one-night stand with my sister.
Wel, was hier reg gestaan nie. Dit was stand, lê, hurk. Daar was 'n Sammy.
Wait, sister. You say girlfriend.
Sy suster is sy girlfriend.
No, no. Louise is my sister.
Louise.
My girlfriend's Jan. Oh, Janice. Oh, sweet Janice.
John, hoe moes ek weet dis jou sussie?
Who spends a night with a girl without asking about their family, their history, and the political party of choice? I mean, who does that?
Kyle, waartoe gaan jy?
I'm just going for poopy. Janet, please, please. It was such a misunderstanding. No, please forgive me. I'm literally on my knees here. I'm... Janice, please. No, don't go. No, Janice. Hello? Hello, Janice?